Welcome to Are You Smarter Than a Third Woman, featuring our hosts, Wade, NG, and myself, filmed and edited by Alexander Zois.
Alright, so the first question is, the chain rule tells us how to differentiate blank functions. The answer choices are composite, parallel, unequal, algebraic. Yeah, just hold the board.
I wrote algebraic.
Composite.
Okay, so Liam got it right. The chain rule tells us how to differentiate composite functions. And in order to solve the chain rule, you have to take the derivative of the outer function first. So that's f, derivative of f of g of x, and you take the derivative of the inner function g of x.
On the next thing, we have guest speaker, third former Justin, and sixth former G. And it's a true or false question. And the question is, does the quotient rule formula have a g of x squared in the denominator?
Oh, true. This marker's working.
It's not working.
What's your answer?
Yeah.
What's your answer?
Well, I guess the answer is false, right?
And Justin's turn.
Let's go!
Alright, you got 3 steps to solve the quotient rule. The first is you take g of x times derivative of f of x, as you can see here. Second is, then from that product you must subtract the product of f of x times the derivative of g of x, which is right here. And then the last step is just dividing it by g of x squared, and that's what Justin got right and G got wrong.
Alright, welcome back. We have another question for Wes and Alexander Zois here. You use the product rule to find the derivative of the product of blank functions. 1, 2, 3, or 4.
Step 4.
And it looks to me, sixth form are getting it wrong yet again. Wes is correct. 2. Alright, so you see in doing the product rule, you only use 2 functions because after you have to find the derivative of each function shown here, then multiply it by the other function and add the product together. Now time for our special sponsored commercial. Thank you. Are you tired of being stressed out when doing derivatives? Frustrated because you can't do a single problem right? Full of anger because you simply just do not know how to take the derivative without using limits? Are you sick and tired of just constantly failing? With the power rule, all your derivative problems go away. Check this out. 2x cubed. So what you have to do is take the exponent and multiply it with the constant and leave the next number going down afterward. So like this, 3 times 2 is 6, and now this becomes 6x squared. Look at that. It's that easy. Another example, 4x to the power of 2. You do the same rule, multiply that, bada bing, bada boom. And that is the derivative of this. Look at that. It's so easy. It even works for polynomials. Check this out. 4x to the 4th plus 2x cubed. And look at this. 4 times 4, 16. X to the 3 plus 6 x squared. Look at that. Easy. Now, you can even do it for negative numbers. You just gotta count up in the opposite direction. So take this for example. This becomes boom, boom, boom. all you gotta do is subtract. It's that easy. It's the power rule, baby. It's the power rule.
Hey, Dad, look, I got an A+, thanks to the power rule. Yes.
Because of the power rule, my wife started talking to me again. Thanks, power rule. Because of the power rule, I can play thirds tennis again. Thanks, power rule. Before I couldn't eat, but thanks to the power rule, I can finally eat again.
See our happy customers? Go learn the power rule today. Call us at 302-299-9529. Thank you and have a splendid day, and be sure to use the power rule. And we are back with another question. Are you smarter than the third former? All right, this next question is very special. By definition, how many points does a tangent line touch? Let's have our contestants have a little time to think. All right, Gene, what do you think the answer is?
5.
5, he says. Renee, what do you say? 1. The correct answer is actually 1. Renee, correct yet again in the sixth former. It's just awful, terrible. So the tangent line, as shown here, is the line that only touches a function at one specific point. The tangent is equal to the instantaneous rate of change, also known as the derivative.
Alright, next question. Rates of change can only be positive or negative, or they can be both. What do you guys think? And just I'll also go with both. Alright, rate of change is a rate that describes how one quantity changes in relation to another quantity. So if x is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable. So an example of that is the rate of change is equal to the change in y over the change in x. And they can be both positive or negative depending on the graph. And then there's also a thing known as a zero rate of change when the value of x increases and the value of y remains constant. And that is, there's no change in the y value and the graph has a horizontal line.
Made with Justin.